Hello, I'm Jim Glidewell, here again to talk to you about the Glidewell I/O in-office solution. As we learned in the first two videos of this series, this is the chairside CAD/CAM system that brings together three powerful forces: Bruxer Now, Crown AI, and vertical integration, so you can mill laboratory quality crowns in the comfort of your office. This technology can transform your practice by giving you a simple, efficient means of providing restorations for your patients in a single visit. At Glidewell, our in-house manufacturing challenges traditional dental technology to simplify treatment, lower cost, and streamline the restorative process. The Glidewell I/O in-office solution is a perfect example of the value created through vertical integration. Both Fast Mill I/O and Fast Design I/O, our chairside mill and design software, were initially developed and used in the lab prior to being adapted for use in the dental practice. Not only are the mill and design software lab tested, they've also been engineered to work together as a system. Our vertical integration with respect to Glidewell I/O also means that you will be milling your restorations from materials that are the highest quality and fully compatible with the system. For example, the Bruxer Now and Bruxer Aesthetic Now were developed and are manufactured right here at our facility in Irvine, California. This commitment to vertical integration ensures that all aspects of the Glidewell in-office solution are in sync and designed to deliver the best result at the lowest cost. Now you may be thinking, how is Glidewell able to accomplish all of this? Aren't they just a large dental lab? Glidewell is committed to advancing the science of restorative dentistry in the dental laboratory industry. For 50 years, the company has adapted and innovated technologies to assist dentists in their efforts to improve the lives of patients. As of January 2020, Glidewell has been issued 41 U.S. patents and 62 worldwide, with an additional 114 patents pending. The benefits of vertical integration extend way beyond equipment, software, and materials. If you spent any time on a chairside CAD/CAM related message board, you're sure to have read that the system is only good at the support and training you receive. This isn't a matter to be taken lightly. The vast majority of these systems are sold through distributors, which can make it difficult to get the support and training you need to succeed. By contrast, the Glidewell I/O in-office solution is fully supported by the manufacturer, with dedicated teams responsible for implementation, training, and support. In fact, there's even a customer success team in place to ensure that customers derive maximum value from their investment. Unlike systems sold by a distributor, Glidewell.io puts your dental lab chairside so you get maximum value from your investment. This includes hands-on installation and one-on-one training in your practice on day one, immediate access to Glidewell support through text, chat, email, or phone, and real-life remote design assistance from skilled support technicians. Dentistry is full of challenges, but it's also full of potential rewards. At Glidewell, we've spent 50 years working to help ensure that dental practices can thrive and more patients can receive quality care. Now, thank you for watching and for the work you do to improve patients' lives, because our world needs all the smiles you can provide.